gonna be your server master today.
Look at this guy on one wheel.
Yo, I'm gonna kiss Nico on forehead while he's serving ice cream.
Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today, as you can tell, this isn't no react or basketball, but this is a vlog. I'm gonna spice it up a bit with a vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog my today, July 9. I'm going to the beach with some friends later on today, but first we are going to a book sale to sell all my Loyola books to incoming freshmen or other Loyola students there who are gonna need my books. So yeah, right now it's currently 6:47 a.m. Woke up a little bit early, but yeah, it's fine. But yeah, this whole vlog will be around mainly around me going to the beach with the boys. Yo, and we were back. So we came back from the book sale, sold some books, didn't sell everything, but you know, it is what it is. It's okay. Got back here like at 11. We stopped by to get some chips for the beach. Got some gas, you feel me? And now we're just gonna... I ate lunch, or brunch, I guess. Showered again, new clothes, new everything, new drip, you feel me? Waiting until around 1:30 for my boy Mark to pick me up. And yeah, as of right now, I'm gonna be packing and show you what I'm gonna be packing. So first, we got the portable charger. I need to, just in case if my phone dies, so I'm gonna charge my phone while I'm at the beach. You feel me? Then next we got the speaker. It's in a wrap, but yeah, speaker. Blessed speaker. Not gonna lie, it's elite top tier, hella loud. So hopefully hopefully no one's gonna tell us to like lower it down or something. But who cares? My boy Preby, he could bring a spike ball set, so we're gonna be balling on that like the entire day. Can't forget my keys, my wallet for sure with money, just in case if we want to go eat anywhere after, and not if we don't want to eat chips, you know, all that junk. Water bottle for sure. I'm gonna bring that. Stay hydrated, my friends. I'm gonna bring gum, cause why not? You always keep a pack of gum with you. I don't know. Oh yeah, of course. I can't forget. I'm gonna pack the slides for sure. But yeah, as of right now, I'm just gonna be chilling, waiting for my boy Mark to come by, pick me up.
Nico, don't go.
Nobody cares, Nico.
Alright, I gotta go, boy.
Nico, did we ask? No, Nico, get out of the way!
10 saddest anime deaths.
Nico, out of the way! Nico!
I appreciate that. Hit the rim though. Hit the rim and a roll. Alright, 9-6. Damn! Oh. Good. That was a good hit. 9-7. 7-7-9. That's pocket! Alright, let's go. Oh, my bad. 8-6. Alright, we're good. Keep us home, you know? Yeah. I thought that was good. 8-2. I couldn't tell it was a net, bro. I couldn't tell. Now we're vlogging again. We are vlogging.
Oh, you're trying to market me.
No, not you. Oh yeah. And we got the Jordan. We got the vest. Oh, okay,
Bro, hold on. You're violating me with this thing.
Sure, I can't tell, bro. The what's it called, the clips. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be before this one. The spike ball is all from him. Thanks to him. To be honest, I was a lazy prick. I did not want to vlog. I did not want to vlog. Yeah, and so now we're on our way to see our boy Nico. We're gonna crash his.
Nicolas Silva, boys.
We're gonna
His
crash.
Instagram is Nico Silva. Hit that man up.
Oh yeah, we're gonna crash his work. We're gonna make a TikTok. Order ice cream.
We're gonna make a TikTok on him, bro.
Yeah, on
While
him.
he's doing work. We're the customer.
On God. There you go. And you see this man right here? He's gonna film everything.
I am.
And he's gonna suck kiss
I'm gonna
ice cream.
I'm gonna kiss Nico on 4K while he's serving ice cream.
So right now, yeah, we're
That's to be the
right, yeah.
time.
I'll pull up the camera again when we're at Nico. God, Mark. Yo, tell them plan right now.
So, one of our friends is working at an ice cream place. And
Nico, yeah, we told you
his
about
name's
that.
Nico. Yeah, we just pulled up to his place, and we're gonna go in. We're gonna surprise him.
Yeah, go.
Dude, first.
Here, record me.
You just typed in a spot. He's just crawling and right over there like Betty.
Ice cream.
Record it.
Get out here. How'd you know?
We didn't. He just typed in a spot.
I actually want ice cream though. Can I get ice cream?
Ice cream also.
It was in. I wish you were there.
Yeah, we got Nico.
Love you, Nico.
I'm gonna be your server master today.
No, okay.
Guys, take apple pie.
But yeah, that's it. We got Nico.
What do you guys want?
You guys
want
reaction?
anything? No, I don't want anything.
That was so funny.
Okay. If Mark didn't get it, can you send it to me? Yeah. Okay, we just finished crashing Nico.
That reaction was hella funny.
I don't know if you got it, but yeah, Nico right there. You see? Yeah, we crashed his
Yes, sir.
shop with
Yes, sir.
his sister working also.
It seemed like a family thing. I don't really know.
And now, we finished eating ice cream. We all got cookies. We basically all got cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream, yeah.
Now we're driving home.
Some people tip them.
Only us two tip them.
Us too, because you already know.
You heard?
Givers, not takers. Actually, we took ice cream.
Yeah, we took ice cream.
Traffic.
Traffic is not that bad. So, yeah, we are on the way home to drop me off. My boy Jordan in the back. Check out his vlog. I don't know when mine's coming out or his coming out, but whoever comes first.
Yeah.
Check it out. Check it out regardless, no matter what. No matter what.
Yeah.
But yeah. Now we're going home. You feel me? I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think about the beach today? What do you think? What do you think?
Solid.
That was great. Great times as always, man.
Yeah.
There's a vibe. You know what it is.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear. And Mark, what do you think? What do you think?
Solid day with the boys, bro.
Solid. Oh, look at that with the sunset. Yeah, you hear me? I don't like. Okay, like we got the traffic calm. It's calm. It's calm.
It's not bad.
We dropped off Matthew Hamilton. Matthew? Our boy Matthew. Our boy Matthew.
Went to visit Nico.
Yeah, we visited. Yeah, you saw it. We visited Nico.
With us.
Oh, I wish I had Sean in the clip though in my vlog, but
The game.
but he will be in the game. He will be in the game. So yeah.
You will see Sean in the game.
I don't know if this is What is this the end of the vlog? What do you think? Should I end it? Jordan, what do you think? I should end the vlog now? No, yeah. We're gonna end the vlog when I get home. So yeah.
Or whenever.
Oh, yeah, or whenever I feel like it. So if this is the end of the vlog, then yeah. But if not, what's going on right here?
We got hella bikers, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Okay, when it came up, I was like, holy.
That scared me, dog. Look at this guy on one wheel.
Yo.
That man.
What the? And there was one right there, and like, what is it? Like, is there a special thing today, or
Like a bike protest?
My G. I mean, cause you know like how Mr. Porterfield has like the Harley Davidson, but I don't know. This is not. Yeah, this is not like a bike version though. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way.
The amount of people, oh my god.
Bro, it's endless.
Bro, it's literally endless. They're still going.
My G.
Yeah,
Bro, what the?
oh my god.
Okay, I just want to know when this one. I mean, we're not gonna be able to move. We're not gonna be able to move.
Bro, just say hi.
Yo, what up? Hey.
Finally.
That took a while to end, bro.
Bro, that,
My,
bro,
bro,
I
that
saw
took,
like 5 people go on one wheel. They're going.
that took way too long, my G. But yeah, so now we're on the move to. Mark's dropping me off, so yeah.
We're back on the move.
Yeah, we're back. Alright, so yeah, that's the end of the vlog. You know, my boy
You already
Mark.
know.
My boy Mark. Got me
already
home
know.
safe. Jordan,
I got you.
another day. We're gonna collab soon again. We don't know when, but yeah. That's 10.
Oh, that's 10. Shoot.
That's 10. So the game points is your right? The game points is
Yeah. Let's score.
10, 5?
10, 5. Mark. Move stop. Candles on his first. Candles on his first. Me and Mark got next go.
Oh, you do?
Good game, boys. Good game.